Hey guys. Sorry, my nose was running. Anyways, we'll go back to my channel, Weather Quiz 004 here. Wait for the weekly test to go off. Oh.
Was a test of NOAA weather radio station WXL 46's warning alarm systems. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests are normally conducted by NOAA's National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the first good weather day.
See it? Here we go, guys.
Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties: Christian, Dade, Dallas, Douglas, Greene, Requierd, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, Taney, Webster, and Wright. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning System. We now return to normal programming. The weekly weather radio test will be conducted today between 11 a.m. and noon. This is the time to ensure your radio is in good working order. If you have questions or concerns, please call the National Weather Service at 417-869-4491. Here is your
Well, there you have it, guys. See the advisory light? There's a required weekly test. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. And check my other radio if it got off. And that's a yeah. That's a yeah. Okay. I gotta. Okay. It's 11:10 a.m. Okay. So yeah. It says required weekly test. Audit. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and don't know what to do. Alright. Peace out.